What if you looked up and the sun wasn't yellow? What if it was a dim, eerie blue? Hold on, this isn't sci-fi garbage. It's a real thing that's happened throughout history. We're talking 1465, 1831, and 1950, dates when people totally freaked out. For centuries, everyone thought it was an omen, a sign of doom. But the real cause was even wilder. Colossal volcanic eruptions and wildfires so insane, they literally changed the color of our sun. The mystery was unsolved for ages, but now, science can finally explain it. Section 1. The Double Mystery of 1831. The summer of 1831 was a nightmare. A mysterious, bone-deep chill spread across the globe. Crops failed, and people starved. At the exact same time, from the US to the Mediterranean, terrified observers reported the sun had become a weak, pale blue orb in the sky. For nearly 200 years, everyone blamed one single, massive volcanic eruption. Case closed, right? Nope. The truth, found frozen in Greenland's ice, was way more complex. Microscopic bits of volcanic glass pointed to two totally different disasters. A colossal, unrecorded eruption of the Zavaritsky volcano caused the global freeze. But the blue sun? Wait, what? That was likely caused by a much smaller, perfectly timed eruption from the Ferdinandade volcano near Sicily. Two separate events, one terrifying outcome. Section 2. Fire, fog, and a blue sun. Go back even further to 1465. European chroniclers wrote about the sun turning a strange, dim color, hidden behind a thick haze. Scientists now think this was a dry fog, a gnarly cloud of sulfate aerosols from a major tropical volcano that we still haven't identified. Then, fast forward to 1950, and the cause was pure fire. The Chinchaga fire in Canada exploded into the largest wildfire in North American history. But it wasn't just a fire, it was a beast. It generated a smoke plume so colossal, it drifted across the entire Atlantic. By the time it hit Europe, people looked up to see a blue, and sometimes even a lavender sun. Section 3. The science of a blue sky. So how the heck can ash or smoke turn the sun blue? It all comes down to particle size. Our sky is normally blue because the tiny molecules in the air are great at scattering short-wavelength blue light all over the place. But to get a blue sun, that's a whole different ballgame. You need a veil of much larger particles that are all almost exactly the same size. Specifically, the size of a wavelength of red light. When sunlight slams into this freaky veil, these perfectly sized particles scatter away all the longer red and yellow light. With the reds and yellows filtered out, what's the only color that punches straight through to your eyes? Blue. The result is a ghostly, unreal blue sun. The blue sun isn't just some cool optical illusion. It's a legit warning sign. These events are the visible proof of massive disruptions in our atmosphere, the kind capable of wrecking the climate and wiping out the global food supply. So those medieval observers who saw a discolored sun as an omen of doom, they weren't entirely wrong. It was a sign that something was terribly, deeply amiss. What's the weirdest thing you've ever seen in the sky? Let us know in the comments, and if you dig unraveling mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe.